How about some smoked and deep fried chicken wings? I'll show you how coming up next. For the wings, we're going to start with some bone-in chicken wings. These ones are from Kirkland. It's a 3-pack. I'm just going to cut these open and pull them apart and then rub them with some Famous Dave's chicken rub. Make sure they're all unfrozen and that they are all torn apart. And then we're going to sprinkle the wings with the Famous Dave's dusting. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, leave a like, and hit the notification bell for more great videos. So we're just going to kind of massage this rub in and get it prepped for the smoker. And we're going to cook this on the pit barrel cooker for about an hour. And after these have sat on the smoker for about an hour, they are essentially done. One cool thing about this smoker is that every time the meat drips into the fire, it actually provokes the wood to create more smoke. You're gonna just place these nice and evenly on the grill that comes with the smoker for about an hour. And the wings are ready for the next stage of the cook. We're just gonna pull these wings off in a little pan here. They are basically done. You could eat them as they are now, but we're gonna make it a little bit better. And we're gonna throw them into some hot oil and deep fry them. Take a look at those wings. So we're gonna throw these wings into some hot oil and let them cook for about 3 minutes. That's all you need, and they're gonna come out looking beautiful. Make sure you get all the, or as much as you can, all of the grease off of the wings, and then we're gonna put it into a mixing bowl and we're gonna sauce them up. And this first sauce we're gonna use is Thai sweet chili from a brand called MELINDAS. It's a great sauce. I will leave a link in the description. You can find them at most grocery stores or online. And we're just gonna spin the wings around a little bit in the sauce and get them thoroughly coated. And the next batch we're gonna throw some Habanero Honey mustard from the same brand, MELINDAS. Again, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can find them, but they are in most grocery stores. And to give the batch of wings a nice variety of flavors, we did the last two browns with some homemade sauces. The first one here I'm dumping into the pan is a butter garlic sauce, and it is amazing. I will do a video on that coming up. And then the last one was a sriracha mayonnaise. Pretty easy. I can also do another video on that, but it gives you a nice variety. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.